Hi guys, so I'm sneaking around to the back because my freaking big old dog won't let me in the back, so yeah. Hey little, I love you. I know you'll let me and you listen. I forgot. Hold on guys, I'm gonna have to drop you. Okay. Okay. Alright. I have to jump the fence quietly. Oh crud. I can't jump it. Freaking rocks are breaking. Alright. That hurted. I'm here. She's here in the back. I'm gonna go see. Lily. Oh, freaking dog. Oh, my dog's here. Yeah. I'm just like wandering around trying to see if I can see my friend's house. I'm going to Halloween party at Boy Scouts. I had to cancel the meetup because it's like not a Midwest meetup. Like I have no fans now, obviously. Like that's not gonna stop me from making videos. I'm still gonna try to get some fans, honestly, subscribers. And oh god, not gonna. Ow! Ow! What the heck? Quit! Ah! Muffin! Lily, help me! Lily, ow! Ow! Ow, you freak! Oh my god, dude, my dog just made a crack in my screen. Just biting you. No, you're freaking. Ah! Ah! Ow! No. Ow! Ah! Oh god, can't hold my phone. Ah! Ah! This dog's biting me. Muffin. Right. Sorry guys, the dog just bit me up. My god. That hurted. Yeah, I'm going to end the video in about like, I don't know, a minute and something like that. My dog completely slobbered out on my screen. Be expecting another video because I'm going to a Halloween party at Boy Scouts, so I couldn't wear my mask because it was like you couldn't wear no devil costume and no guns, so I couldn't bring my gun. I'm gonna bring something, I don't know. I'm gonna wear the monkey mask. So I will see y'all in the next. Oh yeah, look what my dog did. That's all. I will see y'all in the next video. So bye bye. Oh shoot, 10 more seconds. Sorry. Hey, say hi to Bubba. Boo boo. Bye. Oh, 4 more minutes. Oh my god, bro. I'm just gonna make a longer one. Alright, I'm just gonna make a longer one. Oh, Kurt showed our number. I accidentally showed our house number. I'm gonna have to blur that out. Sorry. Huh? I could edit. I just can't put like pictures and all that. I can blur stuff out if I want. It's this editing app. I'm talking to my brother over here. He's just seeing stuff like normal. So yeah. Be expecting a Halloween video tomorrow. I don't know. I have nothing to do for tomorrow. Like the only thing is to do for tomorrow is the Halloween videos. So yeah. Be expecting that. So alright. I have more time. So yeah, tomorrow is the day. Like last Halloween, I absolutely got knocked out. Like, yeah. Like last Halloween, I got knocked out because like I don't know, I got a sickness or something. I threw up, I passed out, and like I couldn't see, like everything was black. I was sore, I was hurt. So they took me to the doctors, and yeah, from there on it was just like blur. I couldn't see, I couldn't talk. I was numb. It was crazy. So tomorrow is gonna be that day. It was on Halloween day. I didn't get to do anything. Like, yeah, it sucked a lot. Trust me, guys. It also hurted a lot. And like by a lot, I mean like it hurted a lot. So yeah, I don't know how much time I have left with y'all. So yeah, peace, bye. So yeah, I'm recording on my phone for now because I don't have a camera. I don't have enough money to buy a camera. I'm recording on my phone. I actually started YouTube a few days, like a few months ago. For the first few months, I didn't post because I was like, "Oh shoot, what are they gonna think of me?" Like, I'm scared to post and all that. Now I just got, I don't know, I just got brave enough to post. So yeah, I'm a 4th grader, 10 years old. I'm 10 years old. Yeah, got a big old tree. At this point, I have nothing else to talk about. Like, I've talked about everything I needed to talk about this video. So, yeah. I'm just going to keep this video going for now. Honestly, I don't want to go back in the backyard because that hurted when my dog bit me.